And tonight with the worst numbers yet since the coronavirus pandemic began in Georgia. A new record nobody wants to see. 145 COVID-19 deaths in our state over the past 24 hours. In that same time period, there were more than 6,000 new cases of the coronavirus. It's never been more clear than ever that the state needs to step up its effort to get as many people vaccinated against COVID-19 as soon as possible.
And what's also clear is the system established to schedule those vaccinations has some major flaws. CBS 46's Zach Summers live in Midtown for us with a look at why so many people are frustrated. Zach.
Yeah, Georgia leaders say they are administering 11,000 doses of the vaccine every day, but those most vulnerable who are trying to sign up for the shot, whether it be on their phone or online, they're hitting constant roadblocks, which could become problematic for the state if they want to receive more vaccines sooner.
76-year-old Linda Hilkman says it took 2 days and hundreds of phone calls before she was finally able to secure a COVID-19 appointment.
The state certainly has failed to be able to communicate with the people and let them know what's going on and what they can expect.
This afternoon, the federal government shifting how it will allocate vaccines, basing it now on how quickly states can administer shots and the size of their elderly population.
We're telling states to expand the channels and access points for administering vaccines.
Georgia, which has an estimated 1.3 million seniors, ranks among the slowest states getting the vaccine into people's arms, according to the CDC.
So we still have much more demand than we have supply.
Governor Kemp says the state has also had issues with providers not reporting vaccination numbers.
We have started stressing to the providers that it is imperative that you update the system.
Officials now planning for a statewide appointment system, regional vaccination sites, and expanding the number of providers allowed to administer the vaccine.
But we've tried to be forward-thinking.
But anybody who stands and says that it's supply only, or saying we're going to have a few glitches because this is just a few days old, balderdash or bull, whichever you want to call it.
Well, now, state officials did not give a timeline as to that rollout of those new features that they are working on. Meanwhile, the federal government is giving states just 2 weeks to make improvements before they start shipping those vaccines based on those incentives I mentioned just a moment ago. Live in Midtown, Zach Summers, CBS 46 News.